Hey, Dr. Tim Lind here. Today I'm going to talk about something that we do all day, every day of our life. Is called sitting. We get up out of bed in the morning, we go and we sit and have breakfast or drink our coffee. We get in our car, we drive to work as we sit, and we get to work, and that's all we do is we sit all day. Get home, sit and watch TV, read the newspaper, whatever we do, get on our computer. We sit some more, then we go to bed, and then we start the whole process all over again. And I know we got to sit. I'm sitting right now. We're doing this little video here, but I want to tell you what it does to the spine. Okay, so here's the spine. You got a spine here. This is the back bumps on your spine. So you're looking at the back here. This is the side view of it. This is the actual vertebrae. This is a disc right here. Here's another disc here and another vertebrae. And the vertebrae and the disc come together and make a little hole here. Okay, so they've done studies, and when we're laying on our spine, this person's laying on the back right now. They've measured this pressure on the disc here. And there's about 25 pounds of pressure per square inch on the disc when we're laying down. Now, when we sit, that pressure goes to over 300 pounds of pressure. It's an incredible change in pressure on that disc right here. And so people who do have spine problems or don't have spine problems, like if they get up out of a chair, they can be like a little bit sore, a little bit stiff and achy. Or if they do have spine problems, like it might be sore for 3 or 4 steps or longer because the change of pressure. We're going from 300. What I didn't tell you is standing up is about 150, 175 pounds of pressure. So we're going from 300 pounds, which is a lot, then we're changing it to about 150. So even that change of pressure is going in the right direction, but that change of pressure can actually cause problems and pain. So what do we do? What do we do for this if we're sitting all day, because it's not really good for our spine? Well, one thing we can do is get up and move as much as we possibly can. I'll tell patients, hey, set your phone, set the timer on the phone every 20 minutes. Get up and move around, even for a minute or two. That's going to change that pressure on that spine right there, which can be beneficial. And do that throughout the day. Get up, get a drink of water, do something that way. What I do in the office here is for patients who have issues down there is we do something called spinal decompression, and what that does is very gently opens the spine like this, a pumping action to kind of take some pressure, separate that and take some pressure off those nerves. There's something that people can do at home with this as well, and that's just get an exercise ball and lay over an exercise ball, and what that does is very similar to what I do in the office here. It's not as specific, but still very beneficial for people to do because it's changing that pressure. It's going from the sitting 300, even laying down 25 pounds of pressure, it's going to closer to a 0. When we're doing the decompression, it's getting into the negative, so it's taking a lot of pressure off there. But it's something you can do at home, is just laying over an exercise ball. So get up and move around, thing number one. Thing number two, lay over an exercise ball. Get one. Everybody's got one. If not, just pick one up. That can be very beneficial for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. We'll see you soon.